Welcome to your Boom Cards. So after you've done your purchase, you're going to find this document called Boom Card Redemption Document. When you open it, you're going to see this. You're going to click here to redeem your Boom Cards. Now, if you've never used Boom Cards before, you're going to want to watch this video because I'm going to walk through exactly what I do from start to finish to obtain my Boom Cards and start using them. Also keep in mind that there is a special bonus on this document, so if you just click down here, you'll be able to open it up. So we're going to click here. And as we do, we're going to be brought to this page right here. And if you already have an account, that's great. You're going to sign in. If you don't already have an account, you're going to create an account. I'm going to join with email. I'm going to use this email here. And I'm going to make my account. So again, if you already have an account, sign in. Otherwise, create a new account. We're going to confirm that this is me. Yes, that's me. I'm going to agree, and then I'm going to redeem. After I redeem, I'm going to be brought to this page here. This is going to be my main screen, my dashboard. You can see up top we have classes, library, that's where our Boom Cards are going to be. You can see they're right there. Reports, this is where you can see your student reports. And if you want to make your own Boom Cards, you can do that here in the studio. We're going to go down here to the Boom Card we just purchased. We're going to click Action, and we're going to do one of a few things. If we already have a class, then we can assign the Boom Card to our classroom. If we don't have a class, we can click right here, and this will give us a fast pin. So if you just want to send the link out to your students to do, this is what we're going to do. So we're going to do this first. So we're going to click fast pin. We're going to generate pin. Now, if your students have this link, so if you put this link into your Google Classroom or you sign it to your students in some way, when they click this link, they're going to be brought directly to the Boom Card. So let's have a look at what that looks like. So I'm going to copy that, open up a new link, paste it in, and you can see the Boom Cards right there. So here's an example of one of the Boom Cards that are in this particular slide deck. So they would go through it just like any other thing. So we're going to use biological control, and you see it's correct. Now if we pick something that's wrong, so let's just pick extinct, that one's wrong, and you're going to see what's going to happen. It's going to exit out. Now if we pick the correct one, we get the correct and we get to move to the next one. You can always skip a question, and that's it. So that's the Boom Cards. So let's head back now to the regular account and see what else we can do. Now, if you want to create a class so that you can actually track your students' progress, then you're going to go up here, you're going to go to classes. Now we're going to either import a Google Classroom. So if you're using Google Classroom, you can import your students from Google Classroom directly to Boom, which is really convenient. Otherwise, you can create a new class. So we're going to do that. Now this new class right here, we're going to name it my class, and you can see the information for the class. If you give the students this particular link right here, I'm going to copy it here, and I'm going to paste it back in here. They're going to be brought to the class. From here, they can make up their own profile. So they're going to go new student, and they're going to write their name down, student 1, password, okay, and then they're going to add themselves, and then they will have access using this information to access Boom Learning. So we go okay. So let's go back. Okay, so now we're back in our Boom dashboard. In our classes, you can see the class we just made, my class, and it has one student in it. Now the other way that you can assign this is you can actually add students one by one. So if I go to new student, I can add people in. I haven't confirmed this email address, so I'll do that after. But you can do that. You can add a student, you can add many students, and then you can also set their password as well. Lastly, you can lock the class, and you can make it a non-private class if you like, and of course you can delete it. Once you've made your class, now you can use this other action. You can assign. So I can assign this particular Boom Card deck to my class. Now once I have, now everyone who's in that class will have access to that, and they can go do that particular Boom deck. Now anything else on here? So again, assign is putting into your class. Fast pin, that's going to be where you give the link and the students can just do it. Now they're not going to be able to track the student data using the fast pin, and that's actually called fast play once you're involved in it. But it's a great way to give homework and for the students to get that instant feedback. You can also hide some cards. You can view the report, etc. There's lots of stuff in here that you can use. When you're done with them, you can also, of course, delete. So that's going to end our tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, enjoy your Boom Cards.